How to add moving average indicator on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to add moving average indicator on TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your laptop device. Once you open up the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to create an account on TradingView, make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open up your app, now look at the top of your screen where you can see the icon for indicator, tap on it. Now click on search bar and search for moving average. You will be provided with multiple options, just click on second option, moving average exponential. Once you click on it, your moving average indicator will be applied to your chart. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add moving average indicator to TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.